Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV. This is Auntie Shade and it's nice of you to join us today. Now let's get started by singing our good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, do we know what date is today, friends? Yes, it's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. All day long, all day long. Yes, it's Tuesday. Can we sing our 7 days of the week song? Let's sing together. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. Now, what month are we in? Well, we just started the brand new month that comes after September. What month are we in? October. Yes, October. October starts with the letter O. O for October. Very good, friends. Now let's find out about the weather for today. And of course, we need to sing our weather song. So let's sing the weather song together. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out those windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Take a look, friends. It's a rainy day today, friends. Yes, and what do we need on a rainy day? Well, we definitely need an umbrella to keep ourselves from getting wet. Or if you have a raincoat, that's a good idea as well. Rainy. Now, my friends, let's find out about our color of the day. What's our color of the day today? Well, it's kind of the color that you see in the sky. Yes, on a rainy day. Gray, yes, gray is our color of the day. How do we get the color gray? Well, you get gray when you mix black and white together and you get gray. Gray is our color of the day. Yes, now let's find out about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today is a star. Yes, a star that we can see in the sky. That's our shape for today, a star. Very good, friends. Now, do we remember what letter we are on today? Well, it's the letter that comes after R in the alphabet. S. S is our letter of the day. What sound does S make? S. 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 Yes, kind of like a snake. S. S is our letter of the day. Well, can we think of some words that start with the letter S? Well, there's snake, there's smile, there's soup. Lovely things to eat, especially in this kind of weather, right? S. Now that we know our letter of the day, let's talk about our area of the day. Take a look at our area of the day. Our area of the day is Siparia. Take a look at all the wonderful places you can visit in Siparia. Wonderful, right? Our area of the day is Siparia. Take a look at all the wonderful places you can visit in Siparia. Wonderful. Now, my friends, I think it's time to find out about our number of the day. What's our number of the day today? It's the number 7. 7 is our number of the day. Can we count to 7? Yes. Let's march and count to 7. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Very good, friends. We marched 7 times. Our number of the day. Now it's time for our lesson. Take a look at this video and we'll learn all about our lesson for today. Today, we are going to be talking about chores that we can do around the home. Now, chores are the things that need to be done around the house. Take a look at some of the examples. Sweeping is one of them. You can help sweep. Make the bed, especially when you get up in the morning. You can also help feed your pets or walk your pets. You can help your mommy cook or set the table. You can help daddy when he's cutting the grass by raking it. You can help wash the dishes as well. Or you can help wipe the table when everyone is finished having breakfast. Now, what chores do you do at home? You can make your own chart and see. Daddy is doing the laundry. Mommy is cooking. Brother is going to mop. And sister is going to wipe down. Very good, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. I hope you enjoyed your activity. And don't forget to join me tomorrow where we have lots more in store for you. Don't forget to click the like button before you go, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.